Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a small apartment-sized dish drying rack, then you're going to want to check out this one from IBEDMAZIE. So my mom recently moved into a small place, and we wanted something that would be compact and not take up a lot of counter space. This definitely fit the bill for that, and I would say it is perfect for about one person. This is made out of metal and is rust resistant. One of the best features is the drain. It actually rotates around in a complete circle so that you can choose which side of it you want to drain into the sink. That's so nice because it can adapt to many different countertop sizes. You can choose to have it lengthwise or just parallel to the sink, and we really like that flexibility. There's also a container for silverware that hangs off the side and will drain directly into your sink so that you don't have to put things on the counter to dry. This required no assembly. You simply take it out of the box, put it on the counter, and you're good to go. This is wonderful for small size homes, and that's our point of view.